Hi, in this video I want to show you how to disassemble Grunding VCC 7670A Cyclone vacuum cleaner. The similar models are sold as a Beko brand, and there can be difference in model number, but the Grunding and the Beko are Turkish brands now, so it's similar machine. It's quite nice silent machine, so it's worth it to fix. Let's disassemble. Remove the cyclone. Undo these 3 screws with a Phillips screwdriver number 2, or it can be used Phillips screwdriver number 1. So these 3 underneath, under rubber, these rubber caps first needs to be removed, and there is also 3 screwdrivers there. The problem is this, and this is purpose of my video. When we undo these screws, there is also one, I think, no? Where is it? There is also one here, one here. We can't open the machine because there is another 6 hidden screws. So to undo these 6 screws, we need first, with a flat screwdriver, push this tab and rotate this ring anti-clockwise, remove the ring, and there we have 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Remove the cover and remove the wheel. Also, this screw is holding, let me see, it's not crucial, but it needs to be undone when it's needed. Same thing on this side, again. Undo the screw, undo this ring with the open tab, anti-clockwise, and disassemble. Then the last thing. After we done all this, we can't open the machine because it's one screw is hidden. Here's here. With a flat screwdriver, we need to pop out this ring, and there we have one screw. It's a Torx screw. Where is it? Okay, so we need a Torx T20 to undo this screw. When we undone this screw, now it's possible to open the machine, and it's very easy. Voila. So Further disassemble is a straightforwarding process. These 4 screws open the cover for the motor. There is nothing special, just cord unwinder, and the motor inside. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.